Okay, finally climbing out of my stupor. And I forgot who asked, but thank you. You know, we old folks love it when people ask us questions, especially those of us who sit at home most of the time. So this is what I decided to do because I was too lazy to take that shit out of the really long bin that these would have sat nicely in. Anywho, so over here, you know, I set it in the pot, and so this is at an angle, and this side is at an angle. So I put this in the middle to get the middle. Hopefully, that nice color. I like that color. And her twin is over here. Yeah, I buy everything in twos just about. And I take my little cup and I pour some more on. So, excuse me. Yeah, it's going to be light in some spots and dark in others, but that's okay because that's me. So I wanted to ask you guys, have you guys tried the double light resin thing from Let's Resin? Here, let me turn it off. Copyright, you know. Let me find a spot where the light is on. Okay, the light is on. Okay, here we go. Wait, let me mute. See, so there. Oops, wait. So there's a light, a UV light on the bottom and on the top. Because remember, as I was telling you, if you have a colored mold, it takes a while to. And now I'm gonna go to their site, Let's Resin, unless somebody else has it for cheaper, and see if we just leave the light on, or is it like the other UV nail things, and you can only have 60, 90, 120 minutes on it. I want one that just stays on until I turn it off. That's what I'm really looking for. She made some little pendants there. And whatever resin she's using. The resin don't really matter to me because at the beginning I did use my mask all the time. Now I just leave the windows and doors open. Not There's just not much in the world that bothers me as far as, you know, chemicals, wear the mask, blah, 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 getting these little, whatever, splotches and shit on your skin because there's too much of blah, blah, blah chemical. I have never had those issues like other people do. No, a lot of people in the resin world are not using resin anymore. They're using the white stuff. Feel free to put that white cement looking stuff in the comments. I'd like to try that. That people use with resin and or instead of resin. Yeah. So I'm watching these videos now that I'm up for my nap, waiting on my ice cream. So if you've tried that, I want to know. Or any other UV lamp that has light on the top and on the bottom, so it can cure from underneath as well. That's the problem with colored molds, and I will probably try really hard not to buy them anymore, because when the color, the light goes down on it, hits the mold, it takes a lot longer for the light to come back through to cure it as well as it does. You see, she's only using white, right? As the white or clear molds. Pretty clear. I've never seen really a clear mold, but you know what I mean. You pick it up what I'm putting down. I don't know. So I'm sitting here watching other people's I mean, she talks too much. This is when going to the third speed, faster comes in really handy. I don't need to hear about the grandchildren and little Sally bumped her knee and all that other stuff. I don't. I want to hear you talk about the product. That's it. Epoxy resin fairy lamp. Oh shoot, the other ones aren't going to come up after this. Dang it. Creative. No, I don't want to talk about getting creative. I want to talk about the double light lamp thingamajiggerdale. Is that one? No. But that looks like that white stuff that... Come on. Let me turn it down. Okay. What is it? Oh, sorry, you can't see. Looks like the back of an iron. Now, normally I would want. She's not going to talk about the light, is she? And I'll show you what I mean. Oh, that's cute. She made the mold with 2 different colors. Pretty. Her new resin mixer. Okay, I don't care about that. Is that the one I just saw? I think that's the one I just saw. There's an epoxy. Anywho, have either any of you guys used the double light UV box thingamajiggadale? I gotta go back because I don't want to see this. I want to stay focused on my light and find out how long my time limits are for it to be under the light, you know. Oh well, we'll see. If you know, leave the answer. Thank you, thank you. A frog. I just looked at a great turtle. My sister got me a turtle mold, and I was looking at some really unique ways of using, how to make that. Oh, Judge Maybelline. Okay. I love my judges. Best adventure fantasy. That's not even the real movie. The real movie's longer than that. I don't like it when people do that. Click the, okay, maybe, hold the phone. Whatever, come on. What the hell is this? Best adventure, see? They're so misleading. I thought I was going to get to see my girl. Oh, I love her. Oh, well. I'll have to go find another double light UV resin machine thingy.